Hey, back in the shop with I Can Fix It. We're going to talk about drive belts for a minute. Why it's important that you always release tension right here. You release the tension from these drive belts at the end of every day. Not a bad idea if you're going to take an hour lunch to release that tension, especially because the belts will be hot, and as they cool, they form a memory. Okay, so here is a brand new drive belt for the drum. And here is our used one that hasn't had tension released on it. So you get these ends here, it starts looking like an oval because of where it sits around here, okay? The fan belt's quite a bit worse normally. There's a new fan belt, nice and round. Here is a used fan belt that has not had the tension released on it for a while. You get this spot here and then this little hump here, and that's because it wraps on this pulley and then around this tension pulley, and then it comes up here, okay? So why that's important? Because every time this cavity right here, it's gonna act like a flat spot. Every time it comes through here, and then it comes up and hits this, or it goes through here, so it's always gonna wanna rest at that spot. If it's moving slow, it will rest there. You can turn it by hand on these pulleys, and it'll just rest at that spot. So now you don't have a round belt. You've got a belt that's been smashed right here, constantly smashed into this V groove on the pulley. And so what you're going to get is vibration. You're going to get vibration in the machine. You will feel that in the handles of the machine when you turn it on. You'll feel it when you touch the motor. That vibration transfers down to the drum, and that vibration can cause marks in your floor that will resemble chatter. So if your machine is leaving what you think is chatter, first thing, check your drive belts. Maybe just replace them, especially if they're starting to get cracked. This one's got some cracks in it. So that's the first thing you want to check, because it's the easiest thing to check. Okay, make sure the tension is correct. They do stretch over time. I'm not going to tell you they don't. Right out of rubber, they get hot, they stretch, they cool down, they shrink. That's another reason why it's very important that at the end of the day, as soon as you turn that machine off and you're done with it, release the tension on them belts. Because when they're hot, as they cool, that's when they're going to take on that memory. And they're going to start to give you trouble. So keep your machine in good running order, proper maintenance. But again, this is important. Release that eye bolt. You got two lock nuts here, so these are supposed to be locked together, and that way you know, or your employees know, hey, when you put the belts on in the morning, you tighten this down till this bottoms out right here. Okay, this will bottom out here. That's where it stops. These should be snug together. As the belts stretch, you're going to have to loosen these. You're going to have to tune the belts again. You want to tune them belts. You want to rotate that until you don't have the vibration. But we can go over tuning the belts on a different video. This video is mainly just to show the importance of releasing that tension at the end of the day. Save yourself some money on belts and keep the vibration out of the machine. The other thing that vibration can do, it's not real good on the bearings that are in this fan and this tension pulley. So it will wear your bearings out quicker because there's a constant shake or vibration in there. So something you might need to know. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, tell your friends about us. Until next time, I Can Fix It.